Hi, did you buy a new laptop? But your laptop working slow and getting slower when you plugged in the charger. I will guide you how to solve this issue by just changing couple of settings in BIOS. Restart the laptop and open BIOS by hitting F12 while boot. Now go to BIOS Setup. You can see a list of settings. From this menu, go to Performance. In Performance menu, you will see Intel Speed Step. Click this option. You will see that Intel Speed Step option is checked by default. You just need to uncheck this option. Now go to Power Management menu and click on Enable Intel Speed Shift Technology and uncheck this option too. You can see checked by default. Hit Apply and Exit to restart your laptop. After restart, you can feel the faster laptop and improvements in performance and no slowing down with charger plugs in. If this video helps you, then give it a like and be our subscriber to appreciate us. Thanks for watching.